Yeah, standing on the deck watching my shadow stretch. Lord, the sun pulls my shadow upon that deck. I've seen the water licking round my ankles now. Yeah, there ain't no sunshine way down. I see the sharks are in the water like a slicks of ink. Oh, there's one there bigger than a submarine. And as he circles out, you look in his eye. I see Jonah in his belly by the camp firelight. Oh, and albatross up in the windy roar. He goes to bed and his wakes while he sleeps it off. I hear the jettison cries from his dreams unkind. They're whipping my ears like a riding crop. I hear the cattle voices say, but that's a fake deity. He's not lying up in the gully like a dried out meat. He's lying down in his book and he says all the things. We're gonna be alone from here on. I say you're all my brothers and you have been kind. But what were you expecting to find? Now your eyes turned in, we've got the nudges turned. While I'm flown away on a barrel of paint that looks like nothing but the sea or sky. Oh, remains